I'm not gonna lie, guys. This video sounds absolutely awful. It sounds horrific. So I'm just editing it now, just going through it. And yeah, not happy with how it sounds. So I've been playing around with the settings, trying to get it to sound a bit better. There's only so much I can do because I was using an iPhone microphone, but we'll take this as a lesson. The audio should be sound for next time. We'll get it sorted. But in the meantime, watch me struggle to ride a bike. Finally pulled my finger out and got another bike. It's been a couple of years, 1 or 2, since I've last done a motovlog. So we're going to go out and crash some bikes. So let me introduce you to my new whip. So this is my Yamaha WR400 and it is an absolute bitch to start. Already spilt fuel everywhere. See how many kicks this takes. Pull the decomp lever down.
Ten years later.
Takes a few tries. There we go. I'm thirsty after that already. Oh, right, we're on our way. Bloody hell, I'm shattered already. I've not even seen a green lane yet. Oh, the shift lever's not in a very nice place. Right, so currently I don't have any working electrics on this bike. Got no brake light. I don't have indicators because it's an enduro bike. Got no headlights, but it's alright because we're not out in the daytime, so it should be alright. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. So yeah, as you can tell, it's a bit different to when I used to have the DT. Same manufacturer, same colour scheme, completely different fucking animal. The DT was fun because it was 2-stroke, but it's absolutely nothing compared to this 400. Waving at the kids, about to catch a case. I've missed this, you know, I've missed 2 wheels. I've not done a motovlog for about 6 years. Helmet wants to rip off my head. This peak isn't very strong, man. I unfortunately never got around to doing any motovlogs when I had my Ninja, which I wanted to do, but I think I ended up upgrading my GoPro and I couldn't record any audio. I was just a bit lazy. I fell out of interest of it. Obviously on the Isle of Man you don't get a ride to a sports bike too often because the weather's always awful. But right now we're just starting off October and I think the weather's alright. I can't tell because I got some tinted goggles on. Wow, it's bogging a little bit, but it might just be the gear I'm in. I should have taken that off. That's my bike lock. Just tie it around the wheel because obviously this doesn't have an ignition. There we go. Right, so the lane that I'm going to is actually recommended to me by a friend that does all this enduroing. My idol's very high on this thing. Oh, I nearly stalled. Alright, so this limit here, as you know in the UK, that's an unrestricted limit. Sorry, national speed limit. Over here we don't have one. So if I wanted to, I could do like 20 million miles an hour. I just don't feel like doing that today though. Ah, this looks like the puppy. Right, I'm ready. Let's go. I think I need to let some pressure down on my tyres. Like, I've just had these wheels put on. I think I've got about 25 psi in each tyre. It's quite an easy green lane as well. Cheers, bud. I wanted to pull over and let my tyres down. I can't now. My arse ends everywhere. Woo! Right, I need to turn this idle down. I actually don't know what way I'm going. Right, do I go left? Left looks like a farm. Or do I go right? I'll go left and then I'll spin round. It just looks like a farm over there. It doesn't look like I can go anywhere. Fuck it. I'll go left. I'll go left. See what happens. But there's no signs. I'm out in the sticks. The arse end of nowhere. I just don't want a tractor to come down and kill me. Right, what's this? Please close the gate. No through road ahead. I guess I can go this way. There's loads of like cattle and shit in there. I don't really want to go that way. Nah, not worth it. I don't want any angry farmers kicking my head in. Alright, we'll have a little skeetsy up this way. And if there's nothing up this way, I don't know what to do. At least it's a nice day. I thought I was going to be quite cold, but you know, I'm warm and toasty. Body armor helps. Not that you can see it, but I keep hitting my chin off it. Look at that. Let's hope nothing comes around this corner. Otherwise I'm brown bread. Beautiful. Magnificioso. Mwah. You saw how at the start I struggled to kickstart this thing. It's not fun. So if I come off on a green lane when I'm shattered, I think it'll be a right laugh. What are they building over there? The island is absolutely full of green lanes as well. I just don't know where any of them are. But there is a lot of groups over here that go and do it. So I might link up with some of them. Need to get this bike dialed in though. Need to learn how to actually ride it. It's a completely different ball game. Oh. You bastard! Oh. I don't know what I just swallowed. Tell you what, I don't need a protein shake today, like that'll do. Oh, I was literally about to spit then. But I would have just spat in my helmet, but now I feel like I'm going to throw up. Whew. Good start to the ride. It was a good shot, like. The fly was going for it. Just straight to my goblet. Oh, it's content, innit? It's straight on TikTok. There's the reservoir. GTR? I wouldn't be taking a GTR down these narrow country lanes, but I also wouldn't be able to afford a GTR, so they can do what they want, like. I swear there's a lane up here somewhere. I think this is it. Private, no public access. Right, no, this is no lane. Oh, Jesus. She power wheelies. What's up, motherfucker? Yeah, you will do. Let's kill her. Let's get a little photo. Oh, so this is actually how I'm recording my audio, so I don't know if it's any good. But I've just got some Apple earphones. Oh, I get in there, I've only used 10%. Thought my phone would be nearly dead by now. So I've got my Apple earphones in my head, in my helmet, and I've just got a little bum bag down here. Bit of snappy.
Nice car.
Right, I've had my squares bar. Let's get that audio synced up. My GoPro's had a new battery. Oh, what's this? A racing jizz. I'll need every bit of energy to get this going. Am I still in gear? There you go. Woo! Go on! Nice little break there, I enjoyed that. I've reviewed my footage and I think it was put it a little bit high, so hopefully now there's more of my legs in there for you kinky bastards to enjoy that. I gotta keep checking if there's a car behind me because I'm probably just like going slow as shit and there's a car just watching me with my legs up. It's quite comfy to be fair. I've got like a fly or dirt or something inside my visor. Oh, it's actually a fly inside my visor, for fuck's sake, man. Oh, he's doing my head in. I might have to pull over. It's not even visor, it's goggles. He's come back for his brother. Oh, I'm still in gear. Go on, piss off. You can't even get out. How'd you even get in there? Little asshole. Is he still in there? Look, I can't see him, but I guarantee I'll put these back on and he'll be there. That's the goggles, by the way. Don't know if I've showed them yet. Let's see if we can get this pasty going once more. There we go, come on. Whoa! I need to stop putting my foot there. I just keep accidentally changing gear, like. Yeah! Neutral. This is what I've been looking for! Ah! Ah! Oh shit! Oh! Oh my days, that was ropey. Right, I'm not going to go up there. It is for bikes, I can go that way. I'm not going to, just because woo, I really don't fancy getting stuck. Ah! Bastard. Oh, she's pissing. You motherfucker. It's absolutely pissing fuel. The float ball's fucked, so it doesn't like being tipped over. So you get fuel everywhere. I tried spinning it round then and it just caught grip, that's why I dropped it. I'm not going to go up there because as awesome as it looks, I know it's there now. So I can come back there when I've got some emotional support. You know, one of the boys go on, hon. Keep going, you can do it. PM me if you need me. Fucking hell. It was good fun that though, I think. I found myself a couple lanes. I know for future. Like I said, this video is only supposed to be a little taster to myself. Make sure I got all my settings dialed in. Fucking shattered. Whack that down because it's the only way I can start it. It's probably going to be like flooded or something now, isn't it? maybe the hot switch. I've never fallen off it before, so I don't know what the procedure is to get it going again. I've got a lot of saliva building up in my mouth. That was it, the hot switch. Whack that hot switch on and you're laughing. So I know I've literally just got to keep the power on, otherwise it's a bit slippery around here. If I don't keep the power on, the bike's just going to tip over. But I'm scared because I can't ride a bike. My GoPro doesn't even have like any of the waterproof stuff on. You could have came and helped me, dicks. Little wave, come on. You know what that is? That's serotonin right there. That's all I wanted. For the 6 years I've been off a bike, I've not been getting any little waves off bikers. But you know, the biking community is just ridiculous. Like, it's so cool. Just, you get on with everyone until you meet them, and they're usually dickheads, but it's just such a good feeling. Like, you know, it would have been free though if I just gave them one of them. That's alright, they pulled over for me. Hero, thank you very much. I love you. Why is there a car there? Someone out picking mushrooms or something? If they are, they should have invited me. It's a good job I'm on an off-road bike, innit? You're very welcome. I'll tell you what, this bike is awesome, like. Incredible. I've never had like a big off-road bike. I've had the Ninja. I've had two Ninjas actually. I was considering turning one of them. I thought my GoPro fell off for some reason. I was considering turning one of them Ninjas into an off-road bike. Sorry, but why would you have a picnic there? Hey boy, we've got a race on our hands. Oh, I wanted to try stroke him. Yeah, piss off. I've done him right in. I've made him look a right knob. Right, I think I'm going to call that a day here, if this has made it on YouTube anyway, which I presume it has, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for watching. If there's any issues in this video, I'll have it figured out for the next one. Give us a little comment, see what you reckon. If you liked it, if you hated it, I'm up for listening. But if you did hate it, I'm also up for a scrap, like, so it's up to you. But I mean, I didn't swallow a fly for you to not like and subscribe, so come on. But yeah, thanks again, and I'm out.